Top story here at 4. The singer known as David is headed back to court tomorrow, and his attorneys have asked the judge to allow him to look his best. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Michael Brownlee.
And I'm Carolyn Johnson, in for Colleen. David is accused of murdering 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez and leaving her body in the trunk of his car. Investigative reporter Eric Leonard has been tracking this case from the beginning, and he joins us now with the latest developments. Eric.
The singer's defense lawyers have now filed some formal requests with the court for a haircut and fresh clothes, which are things that are usually dealt with much more informally with the judge. So there's a brief hearing set for tomorrow, and David may hear about the evidence against him sooner rather than later, as his defense team continues to push for an accelerated court schedule. David, whose legal name is David Burke, seen here in sketches and some video from court last week, will get a haircut before a hearing that's now set for Friday. The judge approved it. The judge denied his lawyer's other request that he wear dress pants and a button-down shirt when he appears at a preliminary hearing. That means we'll probably see him next in jail clothes. Also new today, LA's police chief explained why it took so long to make an arrest after the remains of Celeste Rivas Hernandez were discovered in Burke's Tesla last September. Chief Jim McDonnell said today so much time elapsed between her death and the discovery of her body that some physical evidence had degraded or was gone, and he said that presented a major investigative challenge. Other court records show LAPD detectives served more than 50 search warrants in this case, which some veteran prosecutors tell us is a lot for a typical murder case. Burke was charged last week with the sexual abuse and murder of Rivas Hernandez, who was 14 years old when she died. He pleaded not guilty, and his defense lawyers say he isn't otherwise responsible for her death. Now, Burke's defense team has been pushing to hold a preliminary hearing within 10 days of his first court appearance, which is required by law. And that hearing would be where prosecutors have to show a judge a summary of the evidence in the case. But usually these hearings are delayed until defense lawyers have a chance to fully review police and evidence reports and documents. Prosecutors say it may take several more weeks to prepare all of that and turn it over. So it's possible the hearing set for Friday will be delayed. We should learn more tomorrow. I'm investigative reporter Eric Leonard, NBC4 News.